This 45th printing edition of Return of the King has a problem, and that is this right here. Today we're going to try to clean that up. The cover art is actually done by J.R.R. Tolkien himself. First started out with rubbing alcohol and doesn't seem to be doing really anything. Next we're going to try some hydrogen peroxide, and that seems to be pulling up a little bit. We're not damaging this too much. It's definitely less dark. What do you think? Do you think this is better or worse?
Now we're taking it outside to get dried and pressed.
There it is, getting pressed and dried. Definitely not perfect, but I think a lot better.